Hello friends, I am Professor S.B. Devre, Department of Soil and Water Conservation Engineer from KKW College of Agriculture Engineering and Technology Nasi. Today we discuss on a topic analysis of rainfall. Content of today's presentation is presentation of rainfall data and estimate missing rainfall data. Presentation of rainfall data. There are three methods of presentation of rainfall data which have been found to be useful in interpretation and analysis of hydrologic studies are given as hydrograph method, mass curve of rainfall method, and point rainfall method. Hydrograph method. A hydrograph is a bar graph. It represents a plot of the intensity of rainfall against time interval. It can be prepared either from the mass curve of rainfall or directly from the data obtained from the rain gauges which are already existing in the catchment area or watershed area. And the data generated from these rain gauge stations daily, monthly, annually, it represents in a bar graph. It is known as a hydrograph. In a figure shows that here is a hydrograph. The rainfall depths respective to times, that is in a x-axis times in hours and y-axis rainfall in centimeters. It is very easy to represent the characteristics of a storm, and it is useful in the development of design storm to predict extreme flood conditions. The area under a hydrograph represents the total rainfall received in that period. Hydrograph is the plot of precipitation against times. Here, the hydrograph shows 0 to 8 hours, 0.3 centimeter per hour rainfall occurs in that particular area or catchment area. Mass curve of rainfall. The mass curve of rainfall is a plot of cumulative depth of rainfall against time plotted in a chronological order. Steepness of the curve indicates the intensity of rainfall. The horizontal line of the curve indicates that there is no rainfall during that period. Intensity means the precipitation occurs per unit time is known as intensity. Mass curve shows the cumulative depth of rainfall with respect to the time. Mass curve is directly plotted in a float type and weighing bucket type rain gauges, where the chart is wrapped on the drum and directly the penetrates the curve of mass curve. From the mass curve, the total depth of rainfall and intensity of rainfall at any instant of a time can be found. Mass curve is a plot of accumulated precipitation against time. It shows the starting time, ending time of rainfall, highest peak point of the rainfall, point rainfall data. It is also known as station rainfall. The rainfall data of a particular station is known as point rainfall. These rainfall data can be presented as daily, weekly, monthly, seasonal, or annual values for various periods. It is graphically presented as plots of magnitude versus chronological time in the form of bar diagram. Missing rainfall data. Sometimes it may not be possible to measure the rainfall at a particular measuring station due to absence of the observer or instrument failure in the catchment area or watershed area where the rain gauges already exist. So to predict the missing data with the help of available data of nearby measuring stations using following method, the rainfall data of missed station is calculated. First one is arithmetic mean method, normal ratio method, and inverse distance method. In arithmetic mean method, if rainfall data of a station X is missing, then to find out the missing rainfall data of X station is equal to Px is equal to Pa plus Pb plus Pc plus Pd plus E divided by N, where PA, PB, PC, PD, PE are the rainfall data available at nearby station in centimeters, and A, B, C, D, E, X is equal to rain gauge station, and N is equal to number of rain gauge stations where data is available. Condition for the arithmetic mean method for finding the missing rainfall data is rainfall data of at least 3 rain gauge station is required. Means the where the data is missing, nearby 3 rain gauge stations rainfall data or readings is required for estimation of missing data. Px should be within a 10% of normal annual rainfall of the index station. Rain gauge station should be evenly distributed around the missing station and as close as possible. Second method is normal ratio method. This method is used when the average annual rainfall at any of the index station are more than 10% of the average annual rainfall of the station X. Px is equal to 1 upon P in bracket P1 into Nx upon N1 plus P2 Nx upon N2 plus P3 into Nx upon N3 plus dash dash Pn into Nx upon Nn, where N1, N2, N3 up to Nn are average annual rainfall of index station in that catchment area. Nx is equal to average annual rainfall of missing station and N is equal to number of index station. By using this normal ratio formula, we find the missing rainfall data of that particular station. Thank you.